Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also, una dey fine. Una do well. So, una tell they help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well, well. My people, another one don't come out again. Hey, now wow. Hey, my people. This one another houseboy. Another houseboy wey brother. The elder brother tell am make put poison for the family where they work for. Hey, Jesus is Lord. He really do am my people, according to wetin dem write, because na Igbo na dem take dey talk for them. He say him elder brother convince am make he put something for the family food, and the woman really cook food. He cook a stew. The boy put something for inside that stew. He say when he come back, because as he no dey house, he come surprise say all these people wetin I put for food una no eat, una still dey alive. Hey, my people, many things dey happen for all these people wey person go just put for inside your house. You no know who dem be, who dem no be. Put them for inside your house with your family. You go dey think say as you be na so dem be. You go dey think say as you be na so dem be. No be say you no dey pay them o. You dey pay them. You go dey even dey treat them well sef. But wetin dem wan do for their mind na dem wan do o. Wetin dem wan do na dem wan do. E happen for Anambra, my people. This one happen for Anambra. The boy even dey sleep, he go dey thief money for inside house. Go dey give him elder brother. He go thief all these people money. He go give him elder brother make dey help am dey keep am. E no reach am. E no reach am. He bin wan remove hair comot for all the family nose. Dem come say wetin happen. Na so dem see am online, dem go dey talk. Dem say na the woman na cook na. Why e come be say everybody don eat, everybody don lie down. All this houseboy, house girl wey dem dey see for our place, dem no good o. Dem no good at all. People make dem learn o, make dem wise o, because these things e dey come more and more. Because like this one na him elder brother wey no get job, wey no get anything wey dey do. If you call am na make e come work, e no go go. He see say his junior brother dey work follow people wey don still get small. He dey tell am, he dey convince am. Dey do am like this, dey do am like that, and the junior brother now he can't really dey do am. Na dem come catch dem. He come dey confess. The other one dem don hold am for there because dem want me ogbalegbe come. Na I said the something wey he put for inside the stew wey the woman cook, say all of them eat am, na so dem go see am reach. Dem say all family don eat, na so dem see the story reach o. Dem no know say person wey just dey inside house wey dem dey believe say na better person, na person wey we take as our own, na him just put something for their food make dem eat, make dem all of them go sleep. Now wow, my brothers and sisters. Hey, even the boy even dey talk say he even surprised say dem still dey alive. So na no eat wetin he put for inside na food. My brothers and sisters, mona tell na people make dem be careful. Not because dem just get small money, dem dey find house boy, house girl dey go. So no good at all. So no good. You dey think say as you be na so dem be. No be say dem be, my brothers and sisters. I will put the video mona lis ten. For those wey dey hear Igbo, na go understand. Because na wetin dem write, so na make you say talk am. For those wey no dey hear Igbo, but na wetin happen na tell na so. Mona tell na people make dem be careful. As person wey wan cook for you, you no know as e be. When he go put wetin he wan put, na so we see the other one that day. Na urine na take dey cook. Urine na take dey cook for family wey dey do house girl follow. My people, many things wey dem dey see. Even some even dey use wetin dey come out for their back. I no want me I just put mouth like that. Take dey cook for their boss. Now God na go save people from all these people hands. Na him senior brother na him tell am say dey do am like that. Him true dey do am. My people, may I put the video. Mona listen, mona wise oh, mona tell people for house oh, make them be careful, make them not dey collect anyhow person like that. If you wan put person for your house, make sure say na person wey you just know gongon, even the one wey you know gongon sef. If e dey hard oh, dem go still do. Dem go still do. You no go know as you go know dem reach. If na jealousy, dem go come dey jealous say the family dem too get money, dem too dey dress, dem too dey do, dem too be ajebo. Na luck oh. All these things wey person dey say I wan carry person, I no fit do this one, na luck. If you wan carry person, dey find person wey go help you wash your house. E go comot when e don wash am finish, make e dey go e house, no be the one wey dey cook for you. Mona lis ten to the video, abeg mona help me share. God go bless una. May I put am for una. Na bye bye.
Owesi gana gi megene.
Owesi na wolo kwa mtie na stu.
Nagi gona
mtie na ni.
Okay.
Itiere na ni kagene me. Onwo.
Anu ho me hia ekwuru.
Wo maka nnu ihe ikwu. Open up na ekusi okwu ike. Na
Onwo.
No si di megene.
Osi ntie na ni.
Okay. Osi tinye na ni ka onwo. Onye nwo.
Auntie.
Imelia?
Yes.
Ọmụ nye sa na-ekwu.
Ememe.
Mepe ọnụ bụ. Kwe na anụ voice ma ọfụma. Kwe na anụ voice ma ọfụma. Mepe nke.
Ememe.
Imelia? Gịnị ka ime?
Ewe m ọgwụ ọnwa atinye na stu.
Iwere ọgwụ ọnwa atinye na stu. Ka anyị ezinụlọ na-akpụcha.
Jeshazie bata ọwụ na ha anwụhụ. Ka isi wee feel mgbe ha anwụhụ.
Surprise. I don't surprise.
Maka ihe na-abata wụ ka ivukọrọ ozu.
Yes, ma'am.
Ị na-abata ka
Yes, ma'am.
Ị na-abata ka ime gịnị? Ka ifu ozu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Gị na onye kpara ihe a?
Ya nwa bụ onye? Nzube onye?
Nzube ezu.
Onye ebe?
Onye ọmụda ananga.
Ka ihe jikọrọ gị na ya na-abụ?
Mụ na ya bụ nwanne.
Ofu na ka
Ofu.
ka afa mpụ ụnụ?
Paul ezu. Paul ezu.
Ka afa mama ụnụ?
Chizoba ezu.
Chizoba
ezu.
Na one person ezu. One na ya need. One person is okay.
Chizoba ezu.
Chizoba ezu.
Ọ gasị tọpụ ka nna afụ iru gị. Ma ọ mee.
So onye akịta nọ ebe a bụ Nzube onye? Onye ebe? Ụmụdala ebe? Na nka dị na which local government? Orumba North. Na which state? Anambra. So
Hey, shift go close to your brother. Na so ya so.
So onye bụ Ifeanyi bụ your younger brother. Ifeanyi bụ your younger brother. And the family a na-ekwu maka ha bụ ndị kpọrọ all through you ka esi mara nwanne gị nwoke ọkụ ya. Obi wee kwe gị iwe weta ọgwụ na-egbu mmadụ nye nwanne gị nwoke ahụ Ifeanyi ya tii na nri and o tiri ego ọ na-esite na-enye gị ị na-edebe ya nke ahụ ezuru iwe size ya na ya wetazie gị nwaje na tapapụ ụlọ poison nye Ifeanyi ka o tii na nri ka o wee kwochafụ dị